Yeah, we're going to be going over to the Durban Rocket tomorrow. When I was here the first time, 2 years ago, I only saw the train come in, and it was with the Climax they have, Climax number 3. I think the Cass Scenic actually trucked the Heisler number 6 down there so they could use it. So I might be able to I'll get the chance to ride the Cass Scenic's Heisler now. I'll get to ride on the railroad I didn't get to ride last time, and I'll get to ride behind the locomotive I didn't get to ride on here, so why the heck not?
And you're from this area?
No, sir, from Georgia.
Oh, okay.
Near Athens, I think, if I remember correctly. I'm not good at determining miles, so I say near for a reason.
That's okay.
You know what I find funny? The diesel there that they have parked there are Baltimore and Ohio and Western Maryland, and the railroad that came through here was Chesapeake and Ohio.
Yeah, I saw that the other day too when I was up there.
Yeah. Have you done the shop tour yet?
What's that?
They allow you to tour the shops here at Cass.
These shops?
No, the locomotive shop.
Oh no, I haven't done that yet.
They start at 10, and I mean, if you've already rode both trains, then you could probably do the full shop tour. I did it, but since the train I was going to be riding on to Whitaker, it's boarded at like 10:30. I sort of had to call it. I sort of had to cut it short with mine, with the short shop tour I did. I have video footage of it, so I think I'm all right.
And once they disembark, they leave real quick. They want to go home.
Yeah. Dang it. Oy. All the dang car traffic. It seems like on Mondays and early and Tuesday they don't have many people show up. It seems like, but now they do.
Monday they didn't run.
Apparently they said they did. Could be wrong though.
No, we were here Monday. We didn't. It was dead.
Oh.
Everything was closed.
Yeah. Oh. Here, look through my camera. If you can get I've actually done pre-recorded videos off my phone, off of my camera on my phone. If you tap it, the screen on the camera, to where so it touches the camera screen, it'll focus in. Oh, by the way, there he comes. I see the smoke plume there. He's coming. I know. Yep, he's coming.
Yep, another car's coming your way. Sorry about that, bud.
Oh, but it's alright. I've done countless train videos in the past where I've had to deal with car traffic. I think I'll be alright. Only thing I can hope for is if they think the train's coming on this section of the track here and stop.
Oh, they must be taking water.
Nope, there he is. Shay number 2. It's like the minute the train shows up, everyone just comes out in droves. One thing I know about the engineer who operates Shay number 2, he has one heck of a distinctive whistle style that he does. Oh, for God's sakes. I don't think they realize I don't think they know we're taking photos and taking video.
Here comes 2 more.
Oh my goodness. Oh, at least she got it. At least she knew we were taking video. I like it. The past transportation and modern side by side with the diesel and the steam locomotive.
Not doing the white smoke that I like.
Ah, there's Josh. That's it. Oh my gosh, y'all. Really? You don't have to get right in the shot I'm doing? Good God. Oh well. That's that, and I'm going to film him departing soon. Hopefully.